With IPA Interpret for QIAGEN Ingenuity Pathway Analysis, you can turn your data into a shareable, interactive overview with actionable insights. Today, we will take a look at how to access, navigate, and share an IPA Interpret report. Starting from the IPA interface, the IPA Interpret report is just one click away from any core analysis. From the main summary tab of the analysis, clicking the pink QIAGEN IPA Interpret button will take us to the IPA Interpret report. This is the main summary page of the report. On the left, the dataset tile summarizes the differential expression in the dataset. In the graphical summary tile, machine learning has been used to select a key set of predictions from the analysis to display as a network. It then uses a large language model to communicate a summary of the insights of the network in clear terms. Next, there are tiles for canonical pathways, upstream regulators, diseases and functions, and tox functions. Finally, there is a tile at the bottom of the page that summarizes the top 100 most similar and top 100 most anti-similar analyses to the current analysis. Each of the tiles can be explored in more detail. How does an IPA user get a link to share their report with IPA Interpret? From the IPA Project Manager interface, go to your analysis and right-click to copy it to the Public Share folder. You can start typing the word Public to jump down to it. Once you have copied the analysis, scroll down to the Public Share folder in the Project Manager. You can now right-click and select Copy IPA Interpret link. The IPA Interpret report will be available to anyone who receives this link. With IPA Interpret for QIAGEN Ingenuity Pathway Analysis, you can easily create a shareable, interactive report that anyone can access, including non-IPA users.
QIAGEN.
Sample to insight.